Look at this nigga talking about, oh, I coach you, so now you think you can talk now. Shut the fuck up, nigga. What the fuck you think this is, dog? I mean, what is wrong with you? Thinking, you running the joint, thinking you coaching niggas out here? Man, nigga, I do this, alright? This shit is real to me, alright? It's not a game, son. And honestly, if you even coach me at all, my nigga, I guess the student has become the teacher. Huh? Me Subaru. Nigeru jawa. Nah, hold on.